Hello Matthews, Gatos here. In this video, I'm going to show you some tricks to help you remember all those trig derivatives. So let's get started. Well, the first ones, we just have to memorize these basic ones, and it's not too bad. So the derivative of sine is cos, the derivative of cos is sine, but of course it's negative because the derivative of any c function at all is always going to be negative. So those are your tips to start. Derivative of sine cos, derivative of cosine, but since it's a c function, it's negative. Now it's those other four that are a little trickier. So I have a secret to tell you. So you know when someone tells you a secret, they're like, I have a secret for you. Well, let's spell out P-S-S-T. So here's what it stands for. P stands for positive, S stands for secant, and T stands for tan. Okay, well, how's that going to help us? Let's look. If I want to do the derivative of secant, so the derivative of secant is secant tan. Oh, let me write that out. So the derivative of secant of x is just secant x tan x. And of course, it is positive. So let's look at that again. So positive secant tan. Let's look at tangent. We're going to go the other way. So the derivative of tan x is equal to, going in this direction, secant, or secant squared x, and it is positive. Okay, so gives us derivative of secant to secant tan. Derivative of tan going the other direction is secant squared. Both of those are positive. So let's take that idea and write the co-functions that go with it. So secant, the co-function would be cosecant. Tangent, the co-function would be cotan. And remember, we said any c function is going to have a negative derivative. So let's look at cosecant going in this direction. So the derivative of cosecant x is cosecant x cotan x, and any c function has a negative derivative. Okay, so let's write that out again, but this time we're going to go with cotan. So the derivative of cotan x, and this time we're reading it in this direction, is cosecant, or cosecant squared, but the derivative of any c function is negative. So I think that's a pretty cool way of remembering all of my trig derivatives, just remembering I have a secret. So I hope this video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so I can help more mathies just like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.